It's not the Wall Street Journal, but there's a quiz in there that determines whether you're a summer or a fall.
Well, I appreciate this. Thank you.
Going away to come up higher, giving pine straw to the fire, turn the boxes right side down.
I enjoyed the reading material immensely.
So what's the verdict?
I am an autumn.
Tired pulling every day, all the shifting, can we take it? Drawing circles in the sand, washing out new plans, sing out blue whale, old man in the water, slow motion, ocean river, carry on into the sea.
Recently, I have been on a personal journey to improve both my mental and physical health. I want to boost my energy without always having to drink coffee and better adapt to stress. AG1 has been a huge help with my journey, and they're the sponsor for today's video. Taking AG1 reduces bloating and supports your metabolism. Since taking AG1, my digestion has improved. It also supports my energy levels and immune system, helping me with my busy lifestyle. AG1 is a clinically studied daily health drink that combines a multivitamin, probiotic, and a blend of superfoods into one scoop. In the morning, I take out my bottle, add 1 scoop, pour some cold water on top, and give it a good shake. And then I'm ready to go. It's best to drink on an empty stomach for optimal absorption. Try AG1 by scanning the QR code on screen or by visiting the link in our description box. Your welcome kit will come with a free canister, scoop, shaker, vitamin D, and 5 AG1 travel packet with your first purchase. Thank you to AG1 for sponsoring today's video.
I was foraging for berries from a lindera shrub on our morning walk. Although they are edible, I will be using them for decor purposes. Much like in the van, we typically go for creating natural decorations using what we can find in nature. Not all of our decorations are naturally made. We do have some store-bought items, but these are decorations we have owned for years. We try to gear towards a more environmentally friendly option as much as we can. That way, when we take down the decorations, we can give it back to nature. This year, we are going to decorate using dried oranges, lemons, and berries. We also picked up some wooden decor for us to paint however we'd like, adding a homemade touch. Let's switch out the wardrobe into cozy autumn clothes. Santi usually switches his in October because he doesn't get as cold from a slight breeze as I do. I hope this video inspired your fall decorating this season. We have so many more fall themed videos coming, and we are so excited to share them with you. We plan to do a little more decorating at a time as the season continues to change. I especially can't wait and hope that our rapidly growing pumpkins come in soon. Until then, I'll be here catching up on my expanding TBR, which I'll share more of soon.
Pickles. Hi. Come on, baby.
My cinnamon swirl pumpkin cake recipe is now available on Patreon. Santi's monthly digital wallpaper is now free to download on Patreon and available as a print on our website, along with many other perks only on Patreon. Join for free.